Today I will show you some very interesting magic tricks. So let's start with this one. So what exactly is being done here? Well, same liquid is being poured in different beakers and we are getting different colors altogether. Isn't it magic? But it doesn't end here. Let's see what happens next. So once these liquids are stirred, they get back their original color, isn't it? And now we will again get back different colors for different beakers. So let's see. Once the liquid is stirred, slowly it starts getting its color back. So you see, every beaker has a different color. So what exactly is happening here? What a magic trick is this? Well, this is not exactly magic, but science. In fact, any magic which you see is actually science. So what happened here? Well, all these beakers were coated with different types of chemicals. So when this chemical was poured in these beakers, those chemicals reacted with this common chemical. And every time the reaction was different with different chemicals. As a result, we had different colors. And even when we are stirring it, well, the stirrer actually is coated with a different type of chemical. And every time when it reacts with these chemicals, it gives different results. So what we see here is a product of science and not really magic. Now we will see another magic trick. This trick is called burning money. So what exactly happens in this? Well, the currency is soaked in a magical liquid. And what is the advantage of this? Well, when you set this particular currency on fire, you can see the flames, but is the currency actually burning? Is there any damage on the currency? Not really. So what exactly happened here? Well, again, there was involvement of chemicals here. So one chemical was mixed with water. And when this currency was set on fire, well, what exactly is burning is one of the chemicals, while the water protects the currency from burning. So it's actually all the game of chemicals. So whichever magic you see is not exactly magic, it's science. And in this case, it's the science of chemicals, that is chemistry. So all these magic tricks are basically chemistry experiments. Well, what do we see here? Well, when we apply detergent on a dirty cloth, the stain vanishes. So do we say that this is magic? Not really. We know this is not magic. It's the work of detergent on the cloth. So what exactly happened here? Well, we applied science, that is science of chemicals. So even in our daily lives, we actually use such chemicals to perform many of our actions, and we do not call these magic. Similarly, the previous ones which you saw were also not magic. They were just examples of how we use chemistry in our daily lives. So what exactly is chemistry? Well, the study of the composition, properties, and reactions of matter is called chemistry. So when we talk about chemistry, anything where we are trying to understand the composition, properties, and also reactions of different matter around us, we are basically dealing with chemistry. Now, we use chemistry in all our activities. So right from when you get up in the morning and you brush your teeth, you start using product of chemistry. For example, this toothpaste. So this toothpaste is a combination of different chemicals, and just like this toothpaste, there are so many different applications of chemistry in our daily lives. For example, after brushing your teeth, you'd like to have your breakfast, isn't it? Now, what exactly is breakfast? Well, we are talking about food, isn't it? Now, the food that we eat is an aggregate of chemicals, and that is why different food taste different, because they have different chemicals inside them, and as a result, taste of each of the food item is different. Now, what about different types of creams and deodorants which you apply? Well, all personal care products are combinations of different chemicals. So even here, chemistry is involved. So when you apply any of the personal care product, you are basically using a product of chemistry. So whether it is a deodorant, sunscreen, or a hand wash, everywhere we are utilizing the power of chemistry. Now, what about the school dress which you wear or any other dress? Well, even there, chemistry is involved, because clothing fabrics are products of chemistry. So even the clothing fabrics are made by chemical reactions. So even here we are using chemistry. So right from brushing your teeth to your cloth, everything is a product of chemistry. So can you tell me, clothing fabrics can be made with the help of chemistry? Is it true or is it false? What do you think? Well, the answer is true. Definitely, clothing fabrics can be made with the help of chemistry. Now, after you get ready, you travel to school, maybe by a car or a school bus, isn't it? Now, even that wouldn't be possible without the help of chemistry, because whether you're talking about tires or the petrol which powers your vehicles, everything is a product of chemistry. So tires and fuels are product of chemistry. So even our transportation is not possible without the help of chemistry. So chemistry is everywhere. So when we talk about chemistry, it's all around us. Right from when you get up in the morning and brush your teeth, you use different personal care products, your clothes, the food you eat, and even your transportation. Everything involves chemistry. So without chemistry, our life, the way we live it, would not be possible at all. Every product you use and every element of the nature which you utilize is actually a product of chemistry. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.